many dreams, yeah. In my life, I dream a lot of things. And I dream, they dream, we dream. Cause we don't pay for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream rich, being famous, being scholar. We dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dreams, sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you. Seeing you be my friend, 'cause no one is like you. I wish to see you. Seeing you be my friend, 'cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him.
I dream of freedom, I dream of peace, and I dream of love, supernatural love, and everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my heart, no matter how much I obtain. So my dream for Jannah grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His paradise, the home of satisfaction. My biggest dreams to see you. Seeing you be my friend, but no one is like you. Allah, I wish to see you. You be my friend, but no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet and be with him in Jannah.
On this side, we are just passing by. We dream the dreams that can never save us from it. We'll never take fire with you when you go.
Your words will never follow you. Relatives won't save you. Only your deeds will do